Student, start your third chapter word processor. Then word processor with a tabular representation in MS Word. Tabular representation in MS Word. Tabular means how to create a table, how to insert a table, how to deleting of table, how to enter the data in the table, how to editing data in the table, how to apply the border in the table. This type of operations are known as a tabular representation in MS Word. First your discussion, what is MS Word or what is word processor? The document is called MS Word file, and the software are used to create such a document are called Microsoft Word or word processor. The software with where can process of words are called word processor. The examples of word processor is Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is the main examples of word processor. It is used for create a document, edit document and print a document. MS Word with where can create a document, edit document and print a document. Then MS Word with where you can type the data, save the data and print the data. Then that is the your use with MS Word, but in your chapter is tabular representation of data. First is discussion what is table. What is table? Table is the intersection of a grid of row and column. Table means this type of the grid of row and columns are called table. There is how many row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 row. Then how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then horizontal is the row, vertical is the columns. This intersection of row and columns is called table. Then it is used to organize the informations in the document. Then row is seen horizontally and column is seen is vertically. Then vertical is the columns, then horizontal is the row. The next is table. This is a table, column, row 1, column 1, row 1, column 2, row 1, column 3. Same type. Second is the row 2, column 1, row 2, column 2, row 2, column 3. Then this is the row 3, row number is 3, but column is 1. Again row is 3, column is 2, row is 3, column is 3. This type of identifier. But the combination of column and row is called cell. Combination of column and row is called cell. Then a cell is formatted by the intersection of horizontal row line and is the vertical column line. Cell means what? Cell is formatted by the intersection of horizontal row. This is horizontal row and vertical columns. This is made of cell. Then the data is entered in the cell. Cell with your can data entered. The boundaries of the cell are called grid lines. This line is called grid lines. The grid lines with made the row and column, and the combination of row and columns are called cell, or intersection of row and column are called cell. This is a cell of first row, first column. This is the cell of second row, first column. This is the cell of third row, first column. Then how to fill the data in the table. This type of data stored in the tables are called enter the data into the table. Next, if you enter the data into the table, how to first create a table. First is how to create a table. If you create a table, you can create a table in 3 methods. One is insert table with and draw table with and with selecting column with. These 3 methods you can insert the table. First is using grid. Using grid means only you select the column means automatically insert the table. Okay. First is click on the insert tab, then click on the table, then click on the grid and drag the cursor and select the number of column and row you want. Suppose if 5 column 3 row means 5 column 3 row with selected, then the table is insert. This type you can also insert the table. Second is you can also table by dragging the box. Then is second is click on the insert tab. Insert table means first is the insert menu, then is click on insert table, click on table, then click on insert table, then appear with the dialog box, insert the number of columns. Here is the insert of 4 column 1 2 3 4, then insert the number of row means 1 2 3 4 5 6, insert with 6 row. Then first enter the number of row, enter the number of columns in the dialog box, then click on OK. Click on OK means automatically appear the same type of tables. The next is entering the data into the table. First click the mouse pointer on the cell, then type the text you want to need. First serial number suppose if you type, then again move the mouse pointer to the next, again type a friend name, then again birthday name, then phone number. Then same type 1 2 3 4 5 you can enter the serial number, same type you write the friend name, then date of birth and the phone number. This table you can also draw in your notebook and save the data of 5 students friend name, date of birth and phone number. Next, suppose if you want to change the row height and with the column width, then first select the row and columns. Suppose how many row you want to change, first select, then click on layout tab on the ribbon, then click on properties, then with the properties with you enter the row height, then click on OK means change of the row height. Same type you can change the column width means click on column, then select the preferred width, you type the column width, then click on OK. OK means automatical change of the height of the columns, width of the columns, height of the row. Okay, good discussion how to create a table with a grid, how to create table with the insert table, then how to entering the data in the table, then how to change the height of row and width of columns. Next discussion how to editing the table. Editing the table means how to maybe insert, either delete, either adding the columns, either adding the row. This is called editing of table. Editing of table means some with the table adding or deleting row and columns is the one most common task can you perform with the editing. First adding a new row. Suppose if only 5 students data you entry, again next you can add the another. Then you need of insert a new row. Then how to insert a new row? Click on layout tab. Right side is the display with the layout tab. This layout tab with you can select insert row. Insert with a row. Then you select insert above, either insert below. Insert above means upper with you can insert below with you can, then with below in the row and column group. This type you can insert a new row in the appropriate specific row. Suppose above means to above, if below means to the next. Same type if necessary of you can insert a column to the left or right. Left means left side with insert, right means to be the right side of the insert a new column. Then how to insert, which type to insert the row? Same type of process with insert column. First go to the tab of layout, then there is the display with row and column group. Row and column group with you can select with insert left, either insert right. Insert left with a cursor pointer left with insert a column. If you select right means cursor pointer right side with insert a column. This type of process with also you can insert a row in the table, either insert a column in the table. Next is deleting the row or column. Suppose if more row or column you can insert, but you want to delete. Same type row and column can be deleted by the following steps. You can delete. First is click on the layout tab. Which process with you can delete? Same process with also you can delete row and delete column. First is click on layout tab, then go to the row and column groups, then you select delete. Delete click means appear with two options, one is row and column and cell. If row means row is deleted, if column means column is deleted, if cell means cell is deleted. Click on the delete row means row is deleted. If you delete column means column is deleted. Okay, then this type you can delete the row or column or cell. First you go to the layout tab, then select with the row and column options. Here you select delete. Delete with you can also select delete column, either delete row, either delete cell. Next is splitting cell. Splitting cell means dividing the cell into multiple cell. Suppose one cell, but you want to change with a one cell to more cell. That is called splitting cell. Then how to you can use? First click on layout tab. Which cell you first split, you first select that cell. Then position cursor in the cell that you want to split. Then second click on layout tab. Then is the click on split cell options in the merge group. Merge group appear with the split cell. Then the split cell dialog box appears. Then is specify with the number of row and columns. How many row, how many columns you can split. Then you select type the how many row, how many columns you can split. Then is the here suppose its number is given, column is 4 and number of row is given, suppose 3 you can enter. Then click on OK. Click OK means automatically split the cell with a 4 row with a 4 columns. 4 row with a 4 columns. The selected cell is divided into the number of row or number of columns. One column is divided to 2 or more columns. This type of split cells. The split cell. Then with a enter the number of columns you want to change. Here is a one column, but change with 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one row. But if you select 4 row, then change it 4 row with 4 columns. But here only one row select with 4 column. Then one row is the number of row is 0, either 1. But change with 4 columns. Then next is okay, now is the discussion of merge cell. Merge cell is the opposite of a split cell. Opposite of split cell means the split cell with a partition of the one cell to more cell. But the merge cell means partition is the change with one cell. This is the opposite of a split cell. That is a divide with one cell to more cell. But merge cell is a more cell is a divide with one cell. This is the opposite of a split cell. Then merge cell refers to the combining 2 or more cell. Merge cell refers to the combining of 2 or more cell. Combine means what? The more cell are joined with a one cell, unknown as combining 2 or more cell. Okay, 2 or more cell or 2 or more row into a single cell means a combination of 2 or more cell but divide with one cell. But split cell means one cell divide with more cell, but more cell means more cell is divided with one cell. That is the opposite of a split cell. But difference between merged cell and split cell. Merged cell means a partition with one cell to more cell. Split cell means a partition one cell is the more cell, and merged cell means the more cell is combined with a single cell. This is the difference between merged cell and split cell. Then how do you want to merge? Suppose here is the before you divide with the 4 cell, but you want to again with a change with the 1 cell. Then how do you can change 1 cell? First select the cell of the table you want to merge. Suppose 1 cell, either more cell, that is the first select. Then click on layout tab. Go to the layout tab. Then click on merge cell with the merge group. Then click on OK. The selected range of cell merged into single cell. This type you can also merging the cell. Partition with one cell to more cell. Either more cell to convert with a one cell. Use with a merge cell. Then resizing. Suppose if you change the size of row and column, but you want to again resize, then resize whole table is improve the table to and improve the visual effect to your document. You can also resize one or more row column in an individual cell in a table. Resize means automatically set the size of the row and column width. Then change the row height and column width of the table. You want to change the row height and column width. Then is the by default is 0.3 and width is 0.57. Then same type you can each row status is the height needed of the one line data explaining the automatically you can add more data any of its cell. Then change the row height or column width to do the specific measurement. Then first select or click on any cell in the table. Then click on the layout tab. Then click on table. Then click on cell size. Then set up the height and width. Then OK. OK means automatically change up the size. Same side, resizing the whole table. If you want to change, but you want to not change, again to convert with the resize. Then click on the table and reset the pointer lower height to corner of the table until appears and drag of the boundary till and change the size. Means automatically resize the table. Okay. Then next class you have to use with how to apply the borders and with how to apply the settings, then apply the table styles discussions.